Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Tala. I am the creator and co-founder of WriterGPT. Today in this video, we are going to learn about Rank Math SEO Optimize mode. In previous video, we have learned about fully SEO Optimize and NLP semantic SEO Optimize mode. Now we will be learning about Rank Math SEO Optimize mode. So first of all, we need to choose our keyword. Let's say we are going to write article on keyword what is SEO. So this is our keyword, and you already know about all these settings, so I'm not gonna discuss these settings again and again. Yes, I need images. I need 2 images for this article. And now comes down to this section, which is template section. We already have a template saved and it will automatically choose settings, but for your ease I am going with scratch and we will save this template at the end. We can also use these settings, which are relaxed and recommended and strict. So always use maximum settings for maximum scores. Definitely I will go with strict mode, so this will enable maximum settings. But because we are going custom for these settings, and we will be learning about each and every setting, so this doesn't matter for the time. Okay, so first of all, we have a target score. Try to keep it maximum, which is 95, or you can keep it 100. We can check the FAQ count. I have reduced it to 6. Minimum headings, we only need 20 headings all the time, and article should have in human-like style, and it should integrate LSI keyword as well. Now we have another section, which is focus keyword placement, where to place focus keyword. We need focus keyword in the title, we need focus keyword in the start of the article, at the start of the title, and we need focus keyword in the meta description in the URL, and we need focus keyword in the first 10% of content, and focus keyword should be included in the content as well, except this one. This is another requirement, and this is another requirement of Rank Math. And keyword should be in subheadings as well, like H2, H3 and H4 headings, and keyword in alt image. So definitely we need to include this manually on our end, but we will try to get it from here as well. And next section is content quality and structure. Here we will control content quality and content minimum length. So we have already chosen length from above. You can control it from here as well. You can instruct it to generate 3000 word of article, and maximum paragraph length should be 160, 160, 140, 180 characters. So we will keep it 150. And short paragraphs, and it should have a table of content or not. So all our article have table of content by default, so we can enable or disable this option, doesn't matter for the time. This is just a feature, so that's why we have added it here. If any of this missing, then you can learn, like it is just for information purpose here. You should know that this is an important feature to be included in your article. Okay, now comes to next section, which is search intent and clarity. Here you will choose search intent, which is informational, commercial, transactional or local. So we will go with informational, and top of page clarity, answer query in first 2 to 4 lines. So yes, you can enable this option as well. Entity coverage, include relevant entity concepts and original values. Always use case studies, checklist, template, and use real statistical data. We have enabled this as well. Always use up-to-date content. We have enabled this as well. This is a link strategy, how many links this article should include. Max external links 3, 4, you can choose it from here, and you can choose minimum internal links value as well, and you can increase the keyword density. Recommended is 2, but we will go with 1.5 only, because it is safer side. And always check duplicate keyword check, yes, it is enabled. And finally, title optimization, title sentiment neutral, positive, negative, and include power words in the title or not, number in title, URL length, etc. So these are the title optimizations. Yes, we have these writing style from WriterGPT. So we have already chosen this information from top point of view. We have already explained this. If you are reviewing a product by yourself and you have used it, then go for first person, or you need to go for second or third person. So Google understand that this is not your product and you have not used it, you are only reviewing this. And use grade 7 or grade 5, because this is easy to understand for everyone that don't understand English. So we can cover a maximum audience with this option. If you go with higher level like college, that will be complex English, and that will be difficult to understand for everyone. Humanization level should be minimum or low, because it affects the quality of the content. And formality level, it should be 4 or 5. And yes, we know about knowledge base. We have created detailed video about this feature. You can enable this. You can add the relevant data here. You can go to settings and then knowledge base. From here you can upload documents, and then all this data will be appear here in knowledge base section. So here it is. Okay, so now we are going into next section, which is structure and format. Include H2 headings, H3 headings, include conclusions, yes, include takeaways as well, include FAQ section, bold text, include italic. And this is important. Introduction hook style, it should be question hook, story opening, or direct statement. So I will go with question hook. This engage users, engage the users. I always use this, but it's your choice whether you want to go with any of them. Okay, now we have SEO settings. Generate meta title, yes, I need it. I need meta description as well, but I don't need these schemas. I am disabling this. Keyword density is 1.3, which is good. And internal linking, we have already explained this. We have a detailed video on this as well, so you can choose your site if you have related content. But I don't have website having keyword what is SEO, so I am leaving these settings as it is. I am not using internal linking for the time. So you can go to enter URL, leave it is as it is, so it will not include any default site URL. Now it's about external link. If you want external links to be included in your article, so I need authority links. I have selected this option, and you can click on create bulk job. Now your article is in progress, and we have already saved all these settings, so we can create template now. Click on save and write template name here. I will name it general SEO template. You can set it as a default. When you will choose rank math mode, this template will be loaded by default. Okay, we have saved all the settings. Now comes to my article. Wow, article have been generated, and here it is. This is the article. It has generated all the content. Then we needed, these are the internal links, these are the external links. Sorry, we don't have included internal links. So these are external links from high authority websites. This is from web.dev. This is previous one from Google. This is FAQs and all the key takeaways, conclusion. You can edit this content as well. You can change the heading style, heading structure, or you can bold, italic. You can do all these settings, and you can check the links as well that we have integrated in our article. So I don't want to update this setting for the time. Cancel this. This is the SEO metadata. This is the SEO meta description. These are the outlines. You can simply use these in your article as well. And images, you can generate images from here as well, and you can generate schema as well. Click on generate schema, article, FAQ, or all schemas, and these will be generated instantly. You can copy JSON LTD, and this you can paste this in your website. So this is it, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. You have learned all about our tool, our new and special mode, which is Rank Math SEO optimized. And keep sharing, keep supporting, keep using WriterGPT. Goodbye.